Hello and welcome back for some nighttime cleaning motivation. It has been quite a while since I've shared my closing shift with you all. That's mostly because in the summertime especially, we're just on the go and not every night looks exactly the same. But as we are approaching the changing fall season and settling into back to school routines, I really love to relax and unwind at the end of the day and romanticize my evening cleaning routines. And so for me, that looks like turning off all of the overhead lighting, turning on lamps and ambient lighting, and also enjoying some relaxing music. I've especially been loving Taylor Swift's Folklore and Evermore albums recently. That kind of folky, mild pop just really sets a cozy mood for me. And then I get right into all of the tasks that I like to do at the end of the day. I especially love to check out our refrigerator and our pantry and restock anything that we might need in the morning the next day. So I've got a ton of beverages and protein shakes here. Kinsley has been liking to make herself a chai latte using protein shakes in the morning before school, so I like to stay stocked up on those. And then also making sure that any lunchbox snacks are good and ready to go. This just really helps to streamline our morning routine and make sure that we start off every day on the right foot instead of feeling stressed and not knowing where things are or reaching for something that's not there. I know that it's there, it's restocked, and we are ready to go. I've also been giving extra attention to our beverage station. On these cooler fall nights, Derek and I love a good hot beverage, so we drink way more tea and coffee than we do other seasons of the year. And so I like to make sure that this is all prepped as well, not just for morning coffee, but also to relax with a good hot beverage in the evenings. And speaking of a good hot beverage, I am going to be unboxing my WaterDrop WDA2 countertop reverse osmosis system. I got this to add to our beverage station because I recently noticed a metallic taste in our water. So I had our well tested and unfortunately learned that our water oscillates between an abundance of hard water minerals and an acidic pH, which can result in toxic metals leaching into our drinking water and leads to potential health risks. Knowing these results has been a little scary, but especially as we head into cold and flu season, I just want to make sure that we are taking every preventative measure possible to keep my family healthy, starting with cleaning up our water supply. Since under-sink filtration systems can be costly to install and maintain, and water bottle coolers can be bulky and take up a lot of space that we just don't have, I thought this countertop system from WaterDrop would be the perfect solution. It's a bottle-less water cooler that has a reverse osmosis filter designed to reduce harmful minerals like chlorine, fluoride, arsenic, lead, sediment, and salt to ensure clean, safe, filtered drinking water. The touchscreen display allows you to customize hot or cold temperature options, volume dispenser, and real-time TDS monitoring with filter life reminders to ensure your water quality. And the compact countertop design can fit any worktop without installation, making this perfect for homeowners and renters alike, fitting into any kitchen or living space, office, desktop, and even mobile homes. We now have filtered water available whenever we need to refill water bottles, make cold brew coffee, and lately I've been loving to brew a cup of hot tea to relax and romanticize my fall evening cleaning routines. Cozy moments start with a healthy lifestyle and safe drinking water provided by WaterDrop. I am partnered with WaterDrop on today's video to share their fall prime sale. You can save up to $700 off your WaterDrop filter October 7th through 8th, plus get an extra 5% off your order using my code WDLovingLife. You can find all of the sale details, link, and coupon code in the description box of this video and save an extra 5% off with code WDLovingLife. And a huge thank you to WaterDrop for ensuring healthy drinking water for my family, special savings for all of my subscribers, and for partnering with me and sponsoring today's video. But now that I've got a hot cup of tea to sip on, some music playing in the background, and ambient lighting all throughout my home, it's time to start knocking out those evening chores. So I'm going to wash all of the dishes. We have a sink full here, and since we still don't have our dishwasher fixed, I'm just going to hand wash everything, lay it out on the drying mat, wipe down countertops, pick up the main living spaces and just start to reduce the clutter and mess that has accumulated throughout the day, and kind of push that reset button throughout my entire home so that we wake up to a clean, stress-free space in the morning, which always helps to simplify our morning routines as well. So while I do this, I'm going to play some relaxing music for you, and hopefully you can pop me up on your TV, your tablet, your mobile device, however you like to watch. Set me up in the background and let's clean together.
Seems like you've been busy since you went away. I'm just flipping through your pictures, I can tell you look more than okay. Think I need help to feel as happy as you. Could you tell me what I'm supposed to do without you? It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I'll stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts when you still love somebody. When you still love somebody.
Staying out on the weekends, I really need something to do. I'm just trying to smile when all I can think of is you. Yeah, I'm just faking my way through the days to avoid that feeling I get when I'm lonely and I'm missing you. Wish you could tell me what I should do now.
It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I'll stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts when you still love somebody. 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 Think I need help to feel as happy as you. Could you tell me what I'm supposed to do without you? It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts, I should've known. It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts when you still love somebody. When you still love somebody. When you still love somebody. When you still love somebody.
Somebody.
I didn't know something was wrong. Here I was dreaming we got along so perfectly and wordlessly. Had I been there some of the time, I would have seen all of the signs of our fault. I'm sorry, but we had something real. A bit of you, a bit of me. Now I'm swimming through a bitter truth. I don't know how to start over with someone else. Thinking of you, still making need to get back again. Cause we had love enough, a bit of time, a bit of luck. Now I'm dreaming of peace of mind, getting unstuck. I don't know how to start over with someone else. Thinking of you still making me breathless. We had it good, baby, we had it bad. I let you go, now you're stuck in my head. Like an all out, drawn out goodbye. Like an all out, drawn out goodbye. Like an all out, drawn out goodbye. Silent music and shimmering gold, the strangest feeling about to explode. I held my breath to make sure I didn't say something weird. Light as a feather on weekend knees. What on earth did you do to me? I let you in before I even knew who you were. Your hair was just so golden, 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 golden. And your eyes were also golden, 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 golden. All my dreams are now golden, 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 golden. I wonder where did you go? I have to know. Golden. A mirror image of my soul. I could see myself, but without the holes. I pinched my arm just to see if you could feel what I feel. We found each other right from the start. A conversation between our hearts. I wanted more, but it was hard to get through your shield. Your hair was just so golden, 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 golden. And your eyes were also golden, 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 golden. All my dreams are now golden, 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 golden. I wonder where did you go? I have to know. Golden. Maybe I am wrong, and it's only me, and you didn't feel a thing. But I can't let you go, and you're still painting images so deep within my mind, and every night in the shadows of my sleep. I cannot say I love you, I don't know you that well. At least let me find you so you can break this spell. Your hair was just so golden, 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 golden. And your eyes were also golden, 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 golden. All my dreams are now golden, 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 golden. I wonder where did you go? I have to know. Golden, 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 golden. And your eyes were also golden, 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 golden. Golden, 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 golden. I wonder where did you go?
Is there anything better than a clean, clutter-free space to relax in at the end of a busy day? At least for me, this is as good as it gets. But anyway, now that we have my home all cleaned up, I'm going to relax for the rest of the evening. Don't forget to check out my new WaterDrop countertop reverse osmosis system. It is going to be on major sale October 7th and 8th for fall Prime Day, so I'll leave that link and the discount information down in the description box for you. Once again, huge thank you to WaterDrop for partnering with me and sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys for hanging out with me while I completed my evening cleaning routine. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I see you all in the next one. Bye!